Biometrics confirmed. Fat content levels are optimal for both processes.
Acknowledged. Moving snake to process A staging. Temperature logs confirmed within range.
Seal integrity check passed on all units. Ready for transfer.
The microparticle count is stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. Process A is ready for transfer. The sealed container is transferred to a high-temperature rendering chamber. Sensors confirm secure lockdown for the
fully saturated in the rich tanning solution, the red and black patterns visibly intensify as the chemical agents penetrate the dermal.
This detail shot emphasizes the luxury finish and the meticulous craftsmanship achieved through robotic automation in blood python wallet manufacturing. Process A involves the precise application of durable edge paint by a micro roller, followed by instant UV light curing for a professional finish.
Alert side. A small automated arm gently inserts a custom acid-free cardboard ear insert.
Verification complete. Process A is locked. Commencing Process B.
As the blast doors seal the zone, heavy-duty locks secure the area. This confirms that all Python wallet
With the full closure of Process A, the Python wallet production is officially ended. This clears the wide pipeline.
The amber oil enters the molecular distillation chamber, where impurities are removed under extreme vacuum.
As you can see, the fortification levels are precise, meeting the required fixed attributes.
Confirmed. The quality is consistent.
As the encapsulation machine begins operation, precise micropumps inject the consistent amber Python oil into
Thousands of softgel capsules filled with amber Python oil cascade onto the mesh conveyor. They enter the drying tunnel.
The humidity levels look stable in tumbler 4.
Agreed. Curing cycle is on schedule. We should prep for the next batch.
The finished softgel capsules are polished to remove residual surface powder. They then move through a focused UV.
Immediately after filling, an automated capping machine secures the sterile white lid onto the bottle.
Explosive. The embedded digital sensor maintains an optimal 20 degrees Celsius temperature. This data is transmitted.
The massive scale of this operation ensures the global reach of the specialized Python oil capsules.
specialized Python oil capsules. The pharmaceutical grade is exactly what I was looking for. The instructions are very clear.
Here are your Python oil capsules, sir.
Thank you very much.
And here is your receipt.
This detail shot emphasizes the purity and consistent color tone of our pharmaceutical-grade capsules.
Harnessing the power of nature and advanced automation, Python oil capsules deliver peak vitality.
As we scroll down the label, the traceable batch number and pharmaceutical grade certification reaffirm the specialized quality and legality of the product.